Ubuntu versus Fedora. Which Linux distro is best for developers? So let's have a clear comparison between Ubuntu and Fedora. First, let's talk about Ubuntu. Ubuntu is best for most developers because it's very stable, it's widely used, and it also has a huge community. It has a lots of packages and easy installs. LTS version get 5 years of support in Ubuntu. It works great with Docker, JS, and then Python, Java, etc. And it's also more beginner friendly. But on the other side, if we talk about Fedora, it's best for cutting edge developers. It has latest kernels, drivers, and packages. It uses DNF plus RMP, which has faster updates, newer tool chains. It's great for developers needing newest features. So if you're confused between what to choose, then if you want stability plus easy support and wide compatibility, then you can go with Ubuntu. But if you want the newest tech, fast updates, and modern tooling, then you can go with Fedora. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.